What's good? What's good? Welcome back to our channel, For Sure Family. This is a Tadpoles family with another video. Well, you know it's Thanksgiving coming up, so why not do a sweet potato pie? That's right, a sweet potato pie. Right? But before we get into this video, make sure you share, like, and hit that bell notification if you haven't already. But before I get into the video, I do have a surprise for you. We have merch. We have merch. Yep, this is one of many of merch we do have. Got them. They come in hoodies. So check that out. It's right at the bottom of this video. But we're going to go ahead and get into our video, a sweet potato pie. All right, so today ingredients on this sweet potato pie, I have 3 nice size sweet potatoes. And what I do here, I boil them until they get soft where I can peel the skin off. I have 1 egg. I have, of course, my vanilla extract. I have my carnation milk. I have my milk here. I have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Okay, I have that here. And I have a 1.5 cups of sugar. Those are the ingredients that I'll be using today on my sweet potato pie. So the next thing I do, I go ahead and just smash it. What you're doing here, you're just breaking the sweet potato down some. Sorry for the noise. I just want to break it down. Okay, got it broke down here. And then what I do, I just go ahead and start adding the ingredients. And it's not a particular order that you need to add them, just add them. Right? Have my lemon juice. That was my egg, that was my lemon juice. I have my salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Yeah, it's coming together, baby. A sweet potato pie. Got my sugar here. All right, listen. Before I get back into the sweet potato pie, I did leave out an ingredient, and that ingredient was butter. You want a 1/2 stick of butter. And so I went ahead and already melted that down. We add that to it. Don't forget your butter. Your butter is crucial, right? So I get back to the sugar. I already added a 1/2 cup. Here's a full cup of sugar, right? So we got that. Then we have our carnation milk and 1/4 of it. Okay. Then I have, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add my vanilla extract. And what I like to, I go with maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon, I'm sorry, a tablespoon, and I go a 1/2. Yes, sir. Then what I do is, your milk, you know, you already have butter in there. You already have your carnation milk. So what I like to do, I like to fold it in, and then I add my milk. Because sweet potato pie is supposed to be thick and solid. You don't want it real runny. See there? I may not even have to add some milk. Yes. Yes, sir. And then you have to add any milk. Yeah, you see that? Fold it in real well. Got that nice color to it. Yes, sir. Sweet potato pie. Who made the sweet potato pie? I did. And you don't even know how to cook. But I made that sweet potato pie you milling on. Yeah. See? It's a nice. It's a little wet. But once it cook, take form, it'll be perfect. Perfect. All right, now that we got everything blended together, it's time to add our sweet potato pie to our pie shell. I'm sorry I'm left-handed, but it is what it is. You know, they say people that are left-handed are gifted. Hey, I didn't write it. That's what they said. So what I do is, I still have some left over, but what I like to do here, I like to work it out some. Oh yeah, we made that sweet potato pie. Yes sir, let it bounce it down, look at that. Don't that look delicious? Smells good. So what I do here, I preheat the oven to 350, and I cook this, probably take about an hour and a half, 45 minutes, 1 hour and 45 minutes to cook. You know that it's cooked once it's real, the color of it will change some, and it's more solid right now. Solid when it's done, but right there, that's the sweet potato pie. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that, look at that. All right, so my pie is done, and it's been cooled off now for about 20 to 30 minutes. So we gonna go ahead and try this sweet potato pie. That's right. Sweet potato pie. Oh yeah, someone already went ahead and had a piece of it. They couldn't wait till it cooled off. But either way, they said it was delicious. Yes, sir. Let's get me a nice little sample size. Look at that. You know, this is my second piece, so it was me. I had to taste it, but I'll go ahead and taste it again for you guys, because it was delicious. Who made the sweet potato pie? Yes, sir. Appreciate you guys tuning in to this video. Make sure you like, share it, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.